Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a TradingView account. First, navigate to the TradingView website. You'll then choose between a free basic account or one of their paid subscription plans, depending on the features you need. Next, enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. Finally, check your inbox for a verification email and click the link to activate your new account. Once logged in, take some time to explore the platform's interface. Familiarize yourself with the charting tools, which are essential for technical analysis. You can customize your watch list to track specific stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets. Experiment with various timeframes, from 1-minute charts to daily views, to suit your trading strategy. Don't forget to check out the active community features. Personalizing your charts is key to an efficient workflow. TradingView offers various chart types, such as candlesticks, bars, or lines, which you can easily switch between. Add your favorite technical indicators, like moving averages or RSI, to gain deeper insights. You can also adjust color schemes and other visual settings to match your preferences. Remember to save your customized layouts for quick access later. TradingView offers many advanced features to enhance your analysis. Use the extensive drawing tools to mark up your charts with trend lines and support levels. Set up price alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a specific value. For those interested in coding, explore PineScript to create custom indicators and strategies. You can also connect your account with supported brokers for direct trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.